Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another TikTok tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off your activity and your active status on TikTok. So in this case, people can see whether you're online, and people also can see what you do when you're online on your TikTok. So now let's get it going with the tutorial. So let's just tap on here, and now let's just move to our settings and privacy here. Let me put this up here, and now let me tap on my settings and privacy here. Good. So on here, what I do is I move to my privacy, and you can see activity status here. So what I need to do here is I need to turn it off, but then you should read this. When you turn it off, you're not going to see other people's active and activity status, just like when you have it turned on. So when you have it turned on and you hop on someone who has his or hers turned on, you can see the activity status and the active status on TikTok. But in this case, when you turn it off, you're not going to get access to other people's own, something like that. So now all you need to do is we just turn it off like this. Good, and we are good to go. So in this case, people can see our activity status and also our active status on TikTok. That's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it. Peace.